you may know that your class base, level 2, I mean beginner, level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. These 4 classes are basically known as Introduction to English classes. You are still not introduced to English language, and English language is also not introduced to you, because in English language we are having basic how many skills? 7 skills: grammar, reading, writing, listening, conversation, pronunciation, and vocabulary. So these 7 skills are going to be effectively introduced to you in these 4 classes. So that is why we usually say to the students that you are not supposed to be pessimistic. You are not supposed to be hopeless of these 4 classes. Some students think why we do not become fluent and flawless speakers even we are in level 4 class. So remember, the first basic class is intensive. Intensive itself means powerful. Why? Because in intensive class we are having tenses, active and passive voices, direct and indirect speeches. And these 3 basic topics are used for spoken environment. It means your spoken environment is going to be strengthened and attractive by the passage of time in intensive class. So that is going to be your first class. Clear?